comes to your mind when you think of a career in finance? Maybe you picture endless numbers, charts, or complicated calculations. While technical skills are crucial, our recent interviews with finance professionals reveal a different, more human story. We discovered that success in banking, accounting, and insurance is less about working with spreadsheets and more about working with people. Our group interviewed 10 finance professionals from various sectors to uncover the challenges they've faced, how they overcame them, and the valuable lessons they've learned along the way. What are the problems or challenges you have encountered in your field?
One of the challenges kay katong grabe og issue agency, and then daghan kaayo og mga clients nga magreklamo, masuko, and pag-ingon pagit sila nga dako kayo mi o distribution. Ingon pud sila nga abi na kog sirado na mo, daghan kayo sila og mga negative nga mga comments, and ang challenge lang ato kay on how you deal with them.
As a finance manager, one of the major challenges I have experienced was managing my time effectively. Another challenge to me was adapting sudden changes of some deadlines of payables, because sometimes our sales drop, so it will affect me as well. So
Each one of them had different problems they face in their field of work. Why are those considered as problems?
It's because you need to resolve it. Diba? Hindi man pwede nga, pasagdan lang yung reklamo din na, pasagdan lang yung mga conflict, at pasagdan lang yung mga lack of funds.
For me, consider di siya ma-problem kay ka-apekto mo di siya sa imo. Pero kung unsay mas nag-affect sa imo negatively mo, gito yung pinaka-problema.
The different problems or challenges they've faced in their field shaped them in different ways. How did those problems affect you?
Professionally, kita-tested as number one sa mong bulsa kay hindi mga komisyon kung di sila magkuha. Or ilang undangan na ay mga clawback sa amo kung stop si client of payment, madaot mo ang record say bad business ko na mo. Then emotionally is kaya nga waste of time ko mo ang pag-adto silang balay. Spend me og sila ka hours to educate them, and then papunta lang sa wala kay wala sila ng parayon.
Sa akong part, makaubos siya pasensya man. Pero since empleyado lang man ko, so pinanggagin ako butang sa ako ang mind nga clients is our main priority.
Many customers have a hard time understanding financial products. These difficulties tested the professionals' resilience but also encouraged them to think creatively and develop practical solutions. How did you address those problems?
I address those problems by rechecking every transaction, every day, receipt, deposit, withdrawals, and over time, I developed a skill which is rechecking my transaction or counting the cash, especially when I'm receiving deposits and releasing withdrawals.
First lang, do your job. Ila-ilaha ang imong trabaho, ila-ilaha ang mga tao nga imuhang taga-anong servisyo. Pag-interview pa lang nimo kung saan capacity sa tao, makabalo na dyan ka ng saan yung pagkaprocess na sa iyo.
Every problem brings an opportunity to learn and grow. After experiencing those problems, what lessons have you learned?
At this moment, there are still problems that arises, but we continue to develop so that by next year, we will have the new the electronic new government accounting system.
I-take na to ang challenge of obstacles ato abitang life as a challenge.
Working in the financial field isn't just about numbers. It's about people, values, and responsibility. Challenges will always be part of the job, but with patience, integrity, and the right mindset, we can handle them in ways that help us grow both personally and professionally.